Two mini LED gaming monitors, both 27 inches, both under $400, but only one is right for you. Today we're breaking down the Xiaomi G Pro 27i versus the KTC M27T6, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one to buy. Let's start with the screen itself. The Xiaomi G Pro 27i uses an IPS panel. That means wide viewing angles and very accurate colors. Great if you sit off to the side or share your screen. The KTC M27T6 uses a VA panel. VA screens have worse viewing angles, but they punch much harder when it comes to deep blacks and contrast. If you love dark games or horror titles, that matters a lot. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Xiaomi hits around 1000 nits peak brightness with its HDR 1000 rating. That's already really impressive, but the KTC M27T6 goes even further, all the way up to 1400 nits. That's display HDR 1400. In real life, that means brighter highlights, punchier explosions, and more vivid sunsets in your games. If HDR is a big deal for you, KTC takes this round. Both monitors have 1152 local dimming zones, same number. But how they use those dimming zones is different. The Xiaomi zones can feel slow to react. You might notice a glowing halo around your mouse cursor or bright objects on dark backgrounds. The KTC M27T6 handles local dimming a bit more smoothly, thanks to its VA's panel's naturally higher contrast. So blacks stay blacker even when the zones are working. For speed, both run at 180 Hz, both hit 1 millisecond response times, both support FreeSync and adaptive sync. The Xiaomi is slightly ahead for competitive gaming. Its motion handling is super clean and input lag is very low. If you're a fast-paced shooter player, Xiaomi edges this one out. The Xiaomi G Pro 27i uses quantum dots, which makes colors absolutely pop, covering 99% DCI-P3. It also is great for creative work like photo or video editing. The KTC M27T6 covers around 88 to 89% DCI-P3, which is still good for gaming but not as wide. Price-wise, the Xiaomi sits around $330 to $370. The KTC M27T6 is similar, usually around $260 to $300. So KTC gives you more HDR brightness for less money. That's a solid deal. So, who wins? If you want the best colors, clean motion, and wide viewing angles, go with the Xiaomi G Pro 27i. But if you want the most powerful HDR experience and the deepest blacks on a tighter budget, the KTC M27T6 is hard to beat. It's brighter, bolder in HDR, and costs less. For pure HDR wow factor, KTC wins. For overall balance, Xiaomi wins.